RFID, Bluetooth remote, smartphone unlock, and even 360-degree fingerprint scanner? What? Today's video is going to be super exciting because I have something very interesting to show you all, using which you can transform your simple looking home into a futuristic high-tech home experience. This is Godrej's all-new smart door lock, the Advantis IoT 9. I'm pretty sure these days you might have seen a lot of videos online where people are actually unlocking their home using like fingerprint scanner and stuff like that, right? Well, this door lock is like the BAP of all, guys. Godrej Advantis IoT 9 offers up to like 9 different ways of unlocking your home. You've got 360-degree fingerprint reader. You can use like high-tech security pin. You can unlock it using your mobile phone as well, even smartwatch, and plenty of other ways. So I'm like very excited to talk about this product in this video. Now I actually got this delivered a couple of days back only. Installation is also done. In fact, I've been using this product for the last couple of days, and today in this video I'll be sharing like my detailed experience, like basically how the lock performs, and talk about all of its features and other smart features as well. And apart from that, one more thing I forgot to mention is this is like a fully made in India product, guys. Not just the product, even the cloud servers which are used to operate and handle all your data, right? They are also situated in India only, so all your data is like fully safe with Godrej. So what I'll do is first let me share you my installation experience, and then we'll talk about all of its features. See, Godrej Advantis IoT 9 comes with free installation service. You don't need to pay anything extra for this. All you need to do is give a call to their technician or service team and give them like a convenient date or time, and as per your convenience only, the technician will come and get this smart lock installed at your place. Whole experience was like hassle free, guys. Very professional and experienced people is what I can say. I think the whole time roughly took around like 35-40 minutes only at my place, and as I've told you, even the setup and installation, everything was done by the technician only, and I was like ready to use the lock. If you ask about the warranty details, Godrej is offering 3 years of warranty on the Advantis IoT 9. Now let me also guide you through the setup process. Setting up this smart lock is like super simple, guys. Walk in the park. All you need to do is download this app called as Godrej Advantis Smart Locks. It's available on Play Store or even Apple App Store as well, and you'll need to register using your phone number. Also, remember in the package you got a USB Wi-Fi dongle sort of thing. Well, this is like a gateway for the lock, guys. Basically connects the Wi-Fi to your main door lock, so you can easily set up via the app. So what the company has done is, instead of integrating this Wi-Fi gateway system in the main door lock, they've actually separated this, and the main reason for that is to extend the door lock's battery life, guys. So all you need to do is connect this USB dongle into the adapter that was provided in the box itself and plug it anywhere in the room, guys. Now you'll need to pair that gateway with your smart lock, guys. Basically you're giving Wi-Fi access to the gateway, and that is how your smart door lock will utilize all your app features, and you can completely control it from your phone. And that is pretty much it. Your Advantis IoT 9 is all set up and good to go. Now you can easily register fingerprints, high-tech security pin access, RFID cards, and register multiple different ways to unlock your home. See, in case if you're not a techie person also, nothing to worry about. The technician that came for the installation, right, he will only guide you and completely set up the smart door lock for you, so that is not an issue at all. So that was about the whole installation process. Keeping that aside, let me give you a closer look at the smart lock and talk about the design and build quality. So this is how Godrej Advantis IoT 9 smart lock looks like, and first of all let me tell you, this lock is available in like 4 to 5 different color variants. So depending on your home main door entrance, right, you can go for different variants. You get gold edition, rose gold variant is also there. Today in the home I have the titanium gray edition, and initial impressions I have to mention, guys, it's a beautiful looking smart lock. I mean, you're getting a very premium and elegant looking design. The entire front panel has a black glossy sort of surface treatment, and the side body has a titanium metallic gray finish. Looks very elegant and premium for the price point. Build quality of the lock is also nice. It's like a mix between metal and polycarbonate. And coming to the door handle, here's how it looks like. One more thing I forgot to mention is the door handle on the lock is also flippable in opposite direction, guys, because some people have doors opening outwards, some people have main doors opening inwards, right? So depending on that, the technician will automatically look into that and align the door handle in a proper direction. And quality of the handle is also nice, feels quite comfortable, offers a firm and solid grip when you hold it. On the front profile, you're getting the Godrej Advantis logo, and at the top just above that, you're seeing this square sort of area, right? Well, this is your fingerprint reader, and if you're wondering where the number pad keypad is so you can input your pin access, well, it is smartly hidden in that glossy area, guys. You just need to touch anywhere on this surface and bam, keypad will light up, and now you can easily input your pin access. And one more good thing is the lock also has like integrated speaker in the body for voice guided assistance, guys. Like for example, whenever you're using any sort of unlocking method, either it be fingerprint, pin access, RFID, anything, right, the lock will automatically give you a smart command.
Access granted.
So before we move on and talk about different ways of unlocking your door, first of all, let me tell you that this is not your regular Wi-Fi based smart lock. It's a smart Bluetooth BLE enabled smart lock, guys. So unlike your regular smart Wi-Fi locks, right, which require constant access of Wi-Fi, these Bluetooth based BLE smart locks do not require like constant Wi-Fi, guys, and that makes a big difference in the battery life. So the brand mentions that on a moderate sort of usage, the Advantis IoT 9 can offer up to like 3 to 4 months of battery life. Good thing is the lock also has like a smart battery indicator, and whenever the battery comes down or becomes low, right, it will automatically alert you directly using an alarm or even on the app as well, guys. Shows you the status and condition of the battery. So that's a good thing. But one thing I do have to mention, battery life can totally depend on the user. If you're a heavy user and you're constantly unlocking your home door like 100-120 times daily, right, then obviously battery life would decrease. So moving on, let me tell you how does this smart door lock actually work. Godrej Advantis IoT 9 offers like advanced security system which features a latch and 3 deadbolt security system, and it is also smart. Once you close the door, right, it will automatically sense and lock down the complete system, guys. So from the outside, nobody can access or open the door lock unless they are like registered. They'll have to be registered with some sort of method out of these 9 ways, either be fingerprint reader, pin access control, or even RFID, or even your mobile phone, guys. Otherwise nobody can open it. From the inside you can easily open it. Just twist the handle like this and the door will open. So as I've told you, Godrej is offering up to like 9 different ways of unlocking it, and the first and my favorite way of unlocking it is using its 360-degree fingerprint reader. You see this square cube at the top side? This one is your fingerprint reader, and you can easily register up to like 100 different fingerprints using the Godrej smart app on your phone, guys. Once you do that, simply place your finger on it and that's it. It will automatically recognize that, and you'll even get a voice guided alert like this and unlocks the door. If a non-registered user tries to open it or mess with the lock, right, more than 5 times, then you have a feature called as anti-prank alarm, where the lock will generate series of alarm tones, basically scaring away the person. The second way to unlock the door is using a high security pin code. So using the smart app only, you can assign and set like a complex combination of passcode, guys, 4 to 12 digit pin as per your convenience, and you can easily input that on the keypad of the lock and easily open the door. Now usually this keypad is like hidden. Most of the time you cannot see it in this black glossy area. All you need to do is simply touch anywhere on the front panel over here and that's it. Your keypad will light up. Now you can easily input your pin code and open the door. Now one thing I do have to mention is, usually if you have some sort of guest with you or maybe a friend with you, right, that time you might be a bit worried, right, the other person could easily see what the pin is for your home. Well, nothing to worry about that. For this purpose only, Godrej is also including a special feature called as spy code feature. So once you enable this, you can basically input any sort of garbage numbers before and after the actual pin. The lock will smartly identify the actual pin that is present in between this combination and then smartly unlock the door. So other person could not make out what your actual pin is. So not just fingerprint reader and pin access. I've told you at the beginning, right, you're getting total of 9 different ways of unlocking. You can use special RFID cards as well. In the package, you're getting 2 RFID cards included, and you'll need to pair them with the lock. At a time, you can only pair 1 RFID card. In case if you want to pair the other one included in the package, then you'll have to unroll the previous one. So once that is done, you can easily use this card to unlock the door. No pin, no fingerprint, nothing. Simply tap this card on the front profile of the lock like this and that's it. Bam! Easily opens the door. Gives you that hotel sort of experience. You can easily place this card in your wallet and simply, tap your wallet like this and open the door. Very convenient is what I can say. One more interesting way of unlocking your door is using this Bluetooth remote control. It's a tiny white square cube with a single button on it and conveniently opens the door for you guys. Say for example, you're comfortably sitting in your sofa and somebody rings the bell. That time you don't need to get out of your sofa or chair, come and open the door for the guest. All you need to do is simply press this button on the remote control without moving from your position in your room, and that's it, guys. It will open and unlock the door for you. Guest can easily walk into your home now. Fifth way of unlocking is using your smartphone. For this, obviously you'll need to have the Godrej smart app installed on your phone, and also your phone should have NFC support, guys. And if you have that, right, simply place the phone on top of your lock like this and that's it. Bam! As simple as that. No need to type anything, no need for fingerprint reader. Very conveniently opens the lock for you. Apart from that, you can even use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth based app control to unlock the door. Simply open Godrej Smart app from your phone, and from here you can easily unlock the door no matter where you are sitting at your home, guys. Now one big question you guys might get is, despite having like multiple smart ways of unlocking the door, what if the batteries on it actually die? Then what would you do in those sort of situations? Nothing to worry, guys. In sort of emergencies, on the bottom side of the lock you also have like a Type-C port available. So in emergency situations like this, you can easily connect like a power bank to the lock and easily unlock your door. And simply by connecting a power bank, it doesn't mean that your door lock will unlock. No, it doesn't work like that. You still have to use like fingerprint or give like pin access control or use any of the 9 different ways to unlock it. Then only your door will open. One more interesting question you might get is, what happens in case of power cuts or maybe like Wi-Fi disturbances or internet issues like that? Nothing to worry like that. As I've told you, it doesn't depend on external power source, guys. The lock has like on board 4 AA batteries, right? It runs on that only. So even if power cut happens at your place, nothing to worry about. Fingerprint, pin access, RFID, all of these features work independent of internet connection, guys. So you can be befikar, nothing to worry about that. And as a last resort, you still have like a manual key override included in the package. So yes, a traditional manual key is also included in the box. And you see this circular rubber cutout on the front profile. Just open that, and now you can easily place your manual key over here, twist it, and easily open the door independent of smart features, guys. So that option is also there. Keeping that aside, the smart lock also offers some special features, guys, which I have to talk about. First one is called as passage mode. Say for example, at your place you're having some sort of event or a function and there are a lot of guests that are coming, right? There you can't obviously keep opening the lock every time using a pin or fingerprint, right? It could be quite a bit of hassle. That time all you need to do is simply enable passage mode. You can either do this directly with a physical slide switch on the lock or even using the app controller as well. Simply enable passage mode and the lock will offer like an unrestricted access without asking for any sort of security pin. Once the whole purpose is done, simply switch it off and lock functions normally. Hey, did I forget to talk about this? The lock also has like an integrated doorbell feature. You see this bell icon on the front? Simply long touch on that and the lock will automatically make doorbell sounds, guys. It has like an integrated speaker on board, and using the app you can even customize what type of sound you want or even the sound level as well, guys. Fully customizable. So that is definitely a good addition. One more interesting feature is the Advantis IoT 9 can also be integrated with a video door phone. For that you'll need to buy a separate module though, and using the door phone only you can access the door lock and completely control everything in synchrony, guys. So this is also a great feature. Apart from that, Advantis IoT 9 also offers like scheduled pin access or one-time limited pin access and features like this. Say for example, you have a maid or maybe like house staff that comes to your home and works at your place from a selected time period on this particular day or this particular time period only. You can even assign these sort of access also. Simply open the app and from here you can go to this section and give like a selective access to that person. So when you generate a pin for that person, right, only that person will be able to use this pin at that selected time period on that particular day only, then only the lock will open. Just like this, you can even add like privileged users as well. Say for example, you have a family member, maybe your mom, dad, or maybe like brother, sister, frequently come to your home, right? You can even add them also as like privileged users and give them fingerprint access or pin access, and those people also can easily use the lock, not an issue at all. Last but not the least, the Advantis IoT 9 is like fully smart. It even supports like Google Voice Assistant, Alexa Voice Assistant, and can also be integrated into home automation services as well. Once you register with the voice assistants, right, you can simply ask Google or even like Alexa also to lock or unlock the door or even check the status of the door lock. Like how cool is that? So that is pretty much it, our video on Godrej's all new Advantis IoT 9 smart door lock that offers like 9 different ways of unlocking your home. Using this, as I've told you, you can convert your simple home into a futuristic high-tech home experience, guys. Pretty awesome is what I can say. See, if you're a tech savvy person looking to give your home a futuristic sort of upgrade with an advanced security system, right, then you can definitely go for it. And as I've told you, it is completely made in India, and even their cloud servers are also based in India only, guys. Your data is like fully safe with Godrej. The product roughly costs around like 45 to 46,000 rupees in the Indian market. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. And as I've told you, you're getting free installation service, comes with 3 years of warranty, and I'll try to leave all the details as well in the description box. You can check it out there. If you all enjoyed watching it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.